Hello everyone, so if you wanna enable or disable dark mode on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you are to open up your settings, scroll down to display and brightness, tap on it and find your dark mode. So tap here and now your dark mode is enabled. Let's go further into dark mode options. So tap here. You can set a time when the device will switch to the dark mode around the scheduled time. So simply tap here and press custom, or you can choose sunset to sunrise, of course, so the device will switch to dark mode at sunset and will be back at light mode at sunrise, depending on your location, of course. So turn off your location services for the most accurate results, or simply tap custom and here you can set up the timings. Also, you can adjust text and background automatically, so if you turn on your dark mode and you use this, text will highlight itself, right? Also, you can enable dark mode for individual apps, so simply go through the list and choose which one you'd like to turn on. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.